Hi! In front of me is TCL for the NxtPaper, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in iOS Launcher and install this free app called Launcher iOS 16 from Launcher Studio Developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now hit Get Started at the bottom. Choose I agree to terms and conditions, and then select Continue twice. Over here, tap on While using the app in Location pop-up, and then Allow in the other ones. Finally, after closing an app, you can manage all of those options however you want to. Then to apply your Apple layout, click on Set as Default at the top and tap on iOS Launcher. As you can see, after that, my launcher was successfully applied. If you wish to switch between your launchers, you can always do that by going back to Launcher app, clicking on Set as Default at the top, and clicking on the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!